Waterfall DeFi Price Prediction 2022, 2025, 2030, WTF Price Forecast, Cryptocurrency Price Prediction. Waterfall DeFi Past Price Analysis. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of Waterfall DeFi is $0.057 and WTF is currently ranked hash in the entire crypto ecosystem. The circulation supply of Waterfall DeFi is 3,937,370 with a market cap of $226,307. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been decreased by -1.14% in its current value. If we compare the current market cap of the WTF with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. Waterfall DeFi is facing a hard time getting on board with other crypto coins. The WTF is down to almost -2.56% in the last 7 days. The coin is still showing risking framing segments for past few days. The coin might have strong fundamentals, but we don't think that it would a profitable asset in short term. Waterfall DeFi, WTF. Price prediction/forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. Waterfall DeFi Price Prediction 2022. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of WTF, in 2022 the price of Waterfall DeFi is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.078. The WTF price can reach a maximum level of $0.089 with the average trading price of $0.082. Waterfall DeFi Price Prediction 2023. The price of Waterfall DeFi is predicted to reach at a minimum level of 11 cents in 2023. The Waterfall DeFi price can reach a maximum level of 14 cents with the average price of 12 cents throughout 2023. WTF price forecast for 2024 to 2025. As per the forecast price and technical analysis, in 2024 the price of Waterfall DeFi is predicted to reach at a minimum level of 17 cents. The WTF price can reach a maximum level of 19 cents with the average trading price of 17 cents. The price of one Waterfall DeFi is expected to reach at a minimum level of 24 cents in 2025. The WTF price can reach a maximum level of 29 cents with the average price of 25 cents throughout 2025. Waterfall DeFi Price Prediction 2026. Waterfall DeFi price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of 36 cents in 2026. As per our findings, the WTF price could reach a maximum possible level of 42 cents with the average forecast price of 37 cents. Waterfall DeFi Price Prediction 2027. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of WTF, in 2027 the price of Waterfall DeFi is forecasted to be at around a minimum value of 53 cents. The Waterfall DeFi price value can reach a maximum of 61 cents with the average trading value of 55 cents in USD. Waterfall DeFi, WTF, Price Prediction 2028. The price of Waterfall DeFi is predicted to reach at a minimum value of 78 cents in 2028. The Waterfall DeFi price could reach a maximum value of 94 cents with the average trading price of 80 cents throughout 2028. Waterfall DeFi Price Prediction/Forecast 2029. As per the forecast and technical analysis, in 2029 the price of Waterfall DeFi is expected to reach at a minimum price value of $1.18. The WTF price can reach a maximum price value of $1.36 with the average value of $1.21. Waterfall DeFi, WTF, Price Prediction 2030. The price of Waterfall DeFi is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $1.66 in 2030. The Waterfall DeFi price could reach a maximum value of $2 with the average trading price of $1.71 throughout 2030. Waterfall DeFi price prediction 2031. Waterfall DeFi price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $2.37 in 2031. As per our findings, the WTF price could reach a maximum possible level of $2.91 with the average forecast price of $2.45.